What's going on, guys? It's Petrol Juice here again. This video has been one that I've been waiting to do for a very long time. We're going to be changing out the turn signals and the reverse lights to fully LED. So it should be a lot brighter and just looks a lot better on the car and makes it look a lot newer. So I'm going to be showing you the lights that I'm using. The links will be in the description below so you guys can take a look. So I'll be using the Oxylam LED headlight for the reverse lights and the Oxido LED lights. These are actually the ones, or the company that I used for my license plate lights. So I know they work pretty well. So it's as easy as this. So the only thing you're really gonna need is a pry tool, if not just a flathead. These 3 screws, I should say, they're like pop-out screws. You put your flathead on that little indent there, pull it right out. Once they pop out, you should be able to pull this panel back and you'll have access to the lights right here in the bumper. So once you push this back out of place, you pretty much just push the plastic back. You also want to remove these screws. Leave them on the floor. And this should rotate. Yep, open right up. Now you have access to your lights. Now, there's gonna be 2 locations. The very bottom, I'll point it on the screen now, is going to be the reverse light. And the one at the very top, which I will point at the screen now as well, is going to be your turn signal. Now you do need smaller hands. I'm not going to remove all the panels to do this. So the bottom one here is going to be as simple as just twisting it to the left and pulling out, just like we did in the LED license plate video. Boom, there you go. All right, so once you pull that out of place, just grab your new LED. It should look like this. The link will be in the description below for you guys to check out. It should be on Amazon. Just plug it right in. So we're gonna plug that right into the bottom slot right there. Again, this is for the reverse light. Put it back in the socket, make sure it works, and then it's onto the turn signal. And you can actually see it from here. It's working. So we're gonna plug it right back in and go to the turn signal. It's gonna be a lot harder to reach, but we'll see what we can do. Again, it's the same exact process as it would be for the reverse light. So I'm just gonna cut right to me plugging it in and seeing how it looks. I thought I'd just show you since my hands are really small, but that orange piece right there, twist to the left. Let's see how I reached it. I reached over this here. So you twist it to the left and pull it right out. And boom, there goes your turn signal. All right, so I plugged it in. Once I plugged it in, I twisted it to the right to lock it in place, and we can confirm that it is working. So we're gonna put it back into the socket, and I'll show you what before and after looks like. Now when you put this piece back together, you're gonna put this screw back in this hole. And to get these back in, you just scrunch them up. So you're gonna wanna loosen them up all the way, like so. Then you're just gonna scrunch it up, put it right back into place. And that's it, you're all done. It's not going anywhere now. Do the same exact thing to the other side and you're all set. All right, so this is the after. And this is the before. I'm gonna try to get a good view of the both, but I mean, there's a major difference. The white is a lot more white. You can see the LED a lot more, and I feel like that's the biggest complaint when driving, is no one's really gonna see the turn signal. So I'm gonna change them both out now, and we should be all done. Same exact process for the right side you're gonna do for the left side. Once you're all done, put in the top screw, put in the last 3 screws at the bottom, and you're done. It's as easy as that. So if you guys have any questions, just feel free to ask me in the comments. All the links will be in the description below. Take care, guys.